What's up guys, welcome back. Today I have the Air Max 1 Animal Pack. Obviously this is the Atmos, and to be honest, this was pretty limited here in Toronto especially. If you wanted the shoe, you had to pay either resale or enter those raffles. So I was lucky enough to get mine at Haven. Paid around $240 after taxes, but I don't know how it was in other regions, but it seemed pretty hard to get. Not surprised, really clean shoe, and I'm really excited to have this. Few things off the bat. If you want this shoe, go and grab it right now. I really feel like resale is gonna go up. They released in two different versions, so if you check on StockX, one did come with an animal print box, which is ridiculously priced, and this is the black box, which was respective to boutiques. So no difference with regards to the actual shoe. It's all about presentation at that point, so keep that in mind. But without further ado, let's get into this shoe. Pull out box, typical Nike box. You've seen this with Supreme even. In the box, we did get 3 sets of laces. We got the green, the white, and the red. And obviously on the shoe, we do have the black. So really, really happy to have extra set of laces. And I'm probably gonna keep the black on, but I have it in my hands for now. Really, really amazing shoe. Honestly, I've seen photos of this, and I say this a lot with other pairs of shoes. Photos do not do justice. You gotta see the quality of the shoe, the amount of material, the amount of colors, and just the fact that there are 4 different animal prints on this shoe. You got the zebra, the cheetah, the leopard, and even the giraffe. It's really clean. I love how they all intertwine really well, especially since the majority of the shoe is done in that synthetic pony-like hair material. So keep that in mind, especially if you are considering buying this shoe. It's not real pony hair by any means, so that one thing to know. But you do have one thing here on the swoosh. This is definitely done in that suede. It's a nice hit of red, and just really wraps up the shoe really well. Apart from that, if you have the OG pair, you already know that the toe box on the original is white. You do have black on this pair respectively. A few things to note: you do have that gum sole, which I'm really happy about, and you do have the midsole done in that perfect white sail Air Max 1 Classic. Other than that, apart from the branding, you do have the heel Nike Air stitched and on the tongue as well, done in red. It's really minimal with regards to branding, but the pattern does say enough. So keep that in mind when buying the shoe. You can take out the insole if you're worried about sizing, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. Keep the insole in. If you're worried about going up too much, just know that this shoe is actually pretty narrow. So the more you go up, it's just gonna look longer. If you have a wider foot, I would say just go up half a size at most. Stay true to size if you have a narrow foot. They do give. I find that with Air Max 1s, but all in all, clean shoe. They are very durable. They do hold up well, and they're hella comfortable. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna put these on foot. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below as always, and I'll catch you guys on my next pickup. Peace out.